Step 1 is to get Facebook Messenger for free on your phone or computer. Then go to a website and copy your unique code, which you will then type into Facebook Messenger. It's as easy as that to start making money. This is a totally new and unique way for anyone to earn an easy $250 to $500 each day with no prior experience required. This is likewise completely free and does not require any investment. People from all around the world are making real money every day and cashing out within 24 hours using PayPal, bank transfer, and other worldwide payment options. Please pay close attention though to the final tips in this video, because if you don't, everything will go wrong. It's critical to learn all of the particular tips and to copy precisely what I did in the video so that you can start making money right immediately after watching it. Before we go further to this video, welcome to the Easy Cash Money Daily channel, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Now, let's get to the video. Before I show you the secret Facebook method, you must first go to superpay.me, which is right here. With this brand new unique Facebook Messenger method, we can easily make up to $500 in a single day, especially when combined with superpay.me. Today, we're concentrating on the generous referral program. This is when the magic happens because we don't have to fill out any surveys or do any of that difficult stuff. All we have to do is copy and paste the special link into the internet and we'll start earning money. Before we begin, I'd like to show you some real-life examples of individuals who are making real money. As you can see, people are paid every day, and this is updated every 30 minutes. It's exciting to see new people and fresh payments being sent out to people all around the world. Now, I could just scroll down and show you all of the payment proofs. There are tens of thousands of people who are consistently making real money. I'll teach you how to sign up for free in a moment. And I'll show you on my Facebook account with plenty of real-life examples. Everything we need to know about using Facebook and Facebook Messenger to start making money online right now. So all you have to do is click on this Join Free button and it will take you to this website where you can complete the sign-up procedure. Once again, this is completely free. All you have to do is enter your first name, email address, username, and address. As you can see, they accept people from almost every country across the globe. It doesn't matter where you're from. You can sign up for free now and then to fill out the form with all of your information before clicking the Create Account button. So, once you've made your superpay.me account, I'd want to introduce you to the second website, irazoo.com. You can earn free gift cards and cash by visiting this website. They've distributed approximately $100 million in cash to all of the members. So quickly, I'd want to show you my irazoo account. When I log into my account, this is the back office, and there are a number of things you can do right here. You can play games, take surveys, complete different offers, download different apps, and do a variety of other things here. But once again, this isn't the main focus of this video because all we have to do is copy and paste your unique affiliate link, which means that if other people click on my link and sign up for a free irazoo account, I'll get compensated. As you can see in this video, how much can I earn on Facebook? I earn 100 to 500 points whenever I share them on Facebook, and I'll show you how to do it quickly on Facebook. Plus, if you keep watching, I'll tell you everything about my script and template, as well as all the steps and what you should do right on this video. Now, before I show you to sign up for irazoo, you can invite your friends to the site and they will receive 500 points if they sign up using your link. However, you can make money from them as well. As you can see, depending on your country, you can earn a referral bonus of 100 to 500 points, and I demonstrate everything in this video. And for now, I'd want to demonstrate how to register. So when you go to the irazoo official website, all you have to do is click on the Join button, and you'll be taken to this page. You can use your email, first name, and password if you don't have a Facebook account. simply click the New Account button. Moving on, we'll go to Facebook. And if you don't already have a Facebook account, you can establish one for free by going to facebook.com. However, I believe that the majority of you have a Facebook account. So right now, when you enter your Facebook account, you're going to type in "make money online" as a keyword. Then you'll go ahead and click on this groups button, and you'll be able to filter out all of the Facebook groups that are relevant to this keyword. The next step is to select filter results, and then make sure that you click on the public groups option. By doing so, they will display you all of the public groups to which you can join without having to request permission. When you go in here, you'll notice that there are a lot of groups with 100 to 5,000 posts, and as well as hundreds of different groups that you may join for free. All you have to do now is go ahead and click the join button as shown above. So, once you've joined a group, as you can see, there are a lot of people submitting links in this thread, and many of them are referral links or referral codes. This means that if I click on this link, this person will profit. Now pay close attention, since this is a huge mistake. Many people are spamming the links, which will result in them being banned and or kicked out by Facebook. This is the wrong method to go about it, and many people are suspicious of them since they appear to be scammers. They're just spamming like robots. So the proper method is to use a script. Interesting and informative? Please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. So now I'm going to give you this Facebook template for free. I'm going to give you this copy and paste, and I'm going to offer it to you right now in this video for free. I'm really upset. I've been looking for ways to generate money online for 3 months and nothing seems to work. I wasn't even making any money. Now, as you can see, the first sentence is very important because it establishes your credibility, because people will trust you and be able to relate to you, because there are so many people out there who are struggling to make money. And when you say something like this, people can feel you, relate to you, and are more open to see what you have to offer. Moving on. You could say something like, "Thank God, everything changed just a few days ago after I discovered a fresh new way to make money online that is completely free. I know how it feels to be struggling for months, and it's no fun." So if you need any advice or guidance, please leave a comment below with info, and I'll send you a short mail with all the details. This script has been confirmed to work and is incredibly effective. This will result in a large number of clicks and referrals utilizing the same method. So all you have to do now is go ahead and highlight everything and copy them. And then you can go back into the Facebook group and simply put up a post. And then you can simply paste everything right here and put up a post inside a Facebook group, and then you can simply post them into the group. You may now repeat the same method in many Facebook groups right here. You can make several posts every day in hundreds of different Facebook groups that you can join for free. Now, this is step 1, because once you establish these posts, hundreds of individuals will type info in the comment section. The next step is to add them as Facebook friends once they leave an info comment. You'll send them message number 1 and message number 2 once they've accepted your friend request. "Hello, Mary. A while ago, you asked for additional information regarding the best money-making software. As you can see below. As promised, here is your personal link to sign up for free right now and receive a $5 bonus by using this code. This is your referral code, which you will change, and this is the iRazoo website link. This is the first website where you may earn money and commissions by referring others. Look at the second message right here. If you want an additional bonus stream of income, you can also check out this money earning website here, which is your referral link to the superpaid.me website. And with these 2 messages, you'll get a lot of free referrals on Facebook Messenger. All you have to do now is to highlight the message and then copy it. After that, you'll send them a message by pasting the script into Facebook Messenger. Simply press the send button to submit your message. You'll eventually then get both of them to click on the link and sign up, and you'll start earning money.